This is Dr. Chakravarti, consultant physician and diabetologist from Chennai. Today, I am supposed to give you some of the tips of keeping yourself, especially the diabetic patients, fit and healthy during this pandemic which is going on in our country and the world over. Now, as you all may be aware, the diabetic patients are immunocompromised people. Because of their immunocompromised status, they are more prone to get this infection, which is a highly contagious disease, and it spreads from person to person. And so it is very important for the diabetic patients to maintain proper isolation and social distancing, and to keep themselves protected by using masks and everything, so that they are not exposed to this virus. As far as possible, we should try, the diabetic patients should try to remain within their house. They should not get any opportunity of exposure with interaction with different types of people, which can make them more prone for this infection. It is also important for all the diabetic patients to be very regular with their diabetic medications. People should never miss their medications. They should take the medications advised by their physicians in the proper manner. They should have a proper diet, and they should not miss their diet or miss their medications. And I should also advise that if people are having, you know, glucose meter at their home, they should periodically check their blood glucose to ensure that they are keeping their sugar levels within the desired limits or desired ranges, so that their immune status also remains better. The better the glucose control, the better will be the immune status. And if the glucose control becomes varied or becomes out of control, the immune status also will go down. So uh, in this condition, when the country and the world is passing through a serious pandemic of a contagious disease, it is very, very important for the diabetic patients, especially in the elderly age group above the age of 60 years, to be very cautious, to maintain all precautions, not to venture out, uh, unless and until it is absolutely essential. And in case they face any difficulty, they should contact their treating doctors and take necessary advice from them regarding any modification of drug dosage or any other issues, because the any problem, they should be in touch with their doctors, and that is important. And as I told you earlier, periodic monitoring of their blood glucose at home by using the glucose meters, and regular intake of medicines, maintaining the proper hygiene, and avoiding going out, staying at home, and maintaining social distancing. These are all very, very important aspects. And in case any of these diabetic patients develop any other symptoms like cough and fever, they should immediately consult their doctors, and if required, they should go to the nearby hospital and get themselves tested for any evidence of the disease in case they have contracted it from any source, and they should take appropriate treatment and appropriate isolation. So dear friends, be careful. Diabetics are more prone for this disease and for the complications arising out of this disease. So take care, stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.